officer peg 1063 for that 124.
Alright, let's keep going back towards Kanis. Make sure low rocks are working. Alright, he just crossed out. About to get shot! I'm gonna shoot you! Put your hands behind your back! Okay! Hurry up! Taser deployed in the parking lot. Hands behind your back. Touch the small of your back. .15 just east of my car by the parking deck. You're such an idiot. Did you know that?
I do.
What did I do? You gonna have anything on you?
It can't come out. Let me take it.
I'll take it out. Coming out of your leg.
Oh, hey,
stop!
It hurts.
Yeah.
What'd I do?
Pull in. Hey, if Little Rock's on here, tell him to check that Chrysler. That Chrysler that was following him just pulled back up on scene beside him. Might want to check him. Hey, check that Chrysler! That 28 that I gave earlier, see if it's the same one. He was following him on 430. Well, look at him. Not too old to be running, dude. Sit up. I'm gonna help you up. Sit on your back. Sit on your back. You ready? I'm gonna pull you up.
Hold on. Hold on.
Pull it. When we stand up, just a sec. I'm gonna let you sit for a second. This leg is gonna come up. My hand got
No, give me 10 seconds.
I know. Sit up so you're not leaning. Where we heard at? Huh? What'd you do? Hit the asphalt?
Who you be driving that motherfucker though?
Hey, that Chrysler was right behind him on 430.
That ain't the car that was following me though.
No.
That was a red Malibu.
Yeah. They've already dealt with him. Who's this cat?
I don't know who it is.
I would say trooper over here on the
My hands feel like it's beat with the black nurse up there. See my lip?
Yeah. All right, ready? Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
You have any more probes?
Hey, hold on. Stop pulling them out. That shit hurt like this,
Yeah.
bro. Every time I go to jail, they let the ambulance.
Well, I'm the state police. I do it myself.
Shit, brother. You don't got to pull my shit out, bro.
1.
That shit hurt, bro.
2. State police, we pull our own, all right? We don't have to wait on the ambulance. It's just part of it.
I see a nurse come.
Yeah.
What did I do?
Oh, pull in. Hey, take a step up real quick.
There you go.
1, 2. Make sure that probed it. All right, let's walk this way, okay?
Woo. Yeah.
Through the shrubs. That trooper will grab you.
My leg's weak, but yeah.
About open over there. Better so than trying not to carry my trash up any more than this. What a mess.
Units on scene about this. You say there's some sort of foot on foot.
Got my money right here.
He's the only one I saw in the car.
Count my money right here. In my face. Don't stacking me up like this. Don't look at me. Man, I ain't even doing shit, bro. You see this? Hey, can you count my money in front of me? It's all on camera.
Going on. Related.
Just the one guy on footage?
That's the only one I saw. Yep.
Where do you see him back at?
Huh?
Where do you see him back at?
430 north, coming up to bat 630. They said it hit.
I'm so confused about his direction. Yeah,
Do you think he took Otter Creek back to 30, back to 430, got off that?
It never fails. They've always got one.
Hey,
I guess, no, he took Stagecoach. I mean,
he's got protection, but he doesn't care about crashing into a tree, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Did he ever get up to like a real good speed or anything?
so I come up beside the Chrysler when I ran it,
Yeah.
and before I could get up to him, he like shot the Baptist exit real quick, almost like that guy was on the phone. Like, hey man, there's a trooper right here.
Yeah.
Because I just don't think he could have known that I was. Because he all of a sudden started taking evasive action. Like as I was calling out the Chrysler's license plate. And that's why I think it's associated. Because they were like with each other.
Oh, they're probably going and stealing cars together right now. Then, so.
But anyway, he took the Baptist exit, and I was like, well, gig's up.
Yeah.
And I lit him up as we come up to the intersection. He lost it right up here, and as he was sideways, I come up and I bumped him again. We got squirrely, and then when he come through this intersection right here, I was like, he is coming into that way too hot.
Yeah.
He's either going to wreck out and crash it, or when he loses it, we're not running this thing down Kanis at 140.
See, that's when you were first calling, you're like, he's going back towards Kanis. I was right at Colonel Glenn. I was like, should I go to Colonel Glenn in case they come down John Barrow? And then it was like, he wrecked out of it. We're up here, and I was like, damn, it's going to take me forever to get up there now.
Well, that's the first time I've ran with this new radio holder, and I couldn't, like, get my button to talk. I was like, right. I had my TASER in my other hand. Yeah, we knew you were in foot pursuit.
I was just like, I just don't know where he's going.
But at one point, I was like, we're running east on Kanis towards and like halfway through it, I heard, I was like, well, I guess we're not getting out. Will you pull him up there by my car?
Yeah.
And then
He said, it's my last week. I'm not going to do anything this week.
dude, I wasn't. I was even scanning Little Rock earlier, and they were westbound at the 129. I was like, I'm at the 129.
Well,
Look like him.
I was talking with another little officer about how to take a
Well,
press the tape.
No, he's not 6'4".
Oh, no.
Little Rock, you can clear our tone.
You want a bag for this?
You got one, yeah.
Alright, so he has...
Got it.
Since we were the ones that originally initiated all this shenanigans, do y'all want us to work this or what?
I don't mind working it, but if y'all want to deal with all of it.
It doesn't matter to me.
Y'all stolen vehicles? You know?
It's not stolen, we just ran it. People like from us, southwest on the, jumping on I-30.
Yeah, so I saw... I guess it was... This ain't him. But it's stamped void anyway. Well, he pretty much sold that car out. Dude. I was hoping... Well, he jumped right here, and I was really hoping that I could stick my foot down in there in the root and have it to leverage. No, I just went all the way through it. I was like, I was hoping they didn't tear my pants leg up.
Did you find him coming off the interstate or what?
No, he was northbound between Colonel Glenn and Shackleford.
Uh-huh.
And that Chrysler was like right on him. And I come around behind the Chrysler and I was like, that's that freaking Challenger. And before I ever got up to him, he like shoots the Baptist exit like super evasively. That's when I figured the Chrysler was like, hey man, as soon as he took Baptist, he shot through the gore and hits the Baptist exit and then got on it immediately. I ain't even thought about lighting him up yet. I was hoping I could get one of y'all close. But
you shrank it down to his house, I think.
Yeah. So he come up.
We lost him like around Quick Trip. And I guess what he did is went all the way down to Alexander, took Alexander and started coming back this way.
Yeah. I thought they said he was on Colonel Glenn at one point.
Yeah, he hit Colonel Glenn and Bowman northbound. And then y'all heat up with it.
Y'all didn't start a record for it yet, did you?
No, that's why I came down here to see how y'all wanted to do this.
Started telling us for it. We can
Because me and him that originally started it.
take it if you want to.
I don't care, man. We gotta do whole like case files and stuff unless we get like felony dope or something out of it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't mind doing it.
I'll let y'all argue it.
What are we arguing? Who wants it?
Who wants it?
I mean, we started it. Yeah, but take it if you want. I mean, I haven't pulled up. We haven't ran him yet. He's in here. He's got this ID, but it's not his. I don't know what's up with that. Ironically, the ID says he's 6'4". When he gets out, he's what, 5'6"?
Yeah, he's a big little bitty dude. I was like,
y'all bitch ass some body cameras, you bitch ass white boy. Yeah, you bitch.
You know, you need to get yourself.
Why do
You need a body camera. Yeah. Find out my name. Fingerprint me. Use your fingerprint, bitch.
All right, we will.
I think we need somebody to do from that car.
See, like he was like crying and everything else just a minute ago. When I was running. Yeah.
Let me talk to you.
Now he's wanting to talk hard. Yeah. That's dumb, man.
He's not happy with you.
Him?
Yeah.
I know he's very happy with me. I yoinked him up the side.
I tased him once and fell. I come off the... I was like in the old Western, man. When I jumped off that, I was like...
You know where you jumped there?
And then he was like eating asphalt when I went down there. When he hopped back up, I was like, should have done that, you know? So it comes around too.
You got a second time?
Oh, damn, you got your uniform up here.
All 4 probes.
Criminal mischief.
Yeah. I was going to wear this again tomorrow.
I know.
Where take that?
Tomorrow's my last shift. Where you going?
Cream. Oh, nice.
We're at midnight. You probably went out and get away.
I may do it. I'm gonna stop my camera behind his. Dude, so the wheel, like I'm chasing him on foot, and the wheel is like racing us down Kanis. So I don't know. It may be into somebody's car. It may be in the parking lot.